Hello, it's John N5ID with lesson 6 with regards to learning CW. Today we're going to learn Q, V, and W. Let's review what we've learned already. We're going to start at A and go through T. A is, B is, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, that was J, that was K, and L is M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Let's go over QRST again. I'm not going to name each letter. I'm going to start at Q and end at T. I'm going to start at M and end at P. That was M-N-O-P. I'm going to start at I and end at L. That was I-J-K-L. I'm going to start at E and end at H. That was E-F-G-H. And now let's do A-B-C-D. Today, let's add U, V, and W. U is dit-dit-da. That's U. V is dit-dit-dit-da. That is V. W is dit-da-da. That's W. Let's go through it again. U, dit-dit-da. V, dit-dit-dit-da. And W, let's write this down. U is dit-dit-da. Write that on a piece of paper. V is dit-dit-dit-da. And W is dit-da-da. Again, write it on a piece of paper. U is dit-dit-da. V is dit-dit-dit-da. And W is dit-da-da. Let me go through it again. U. I messed up and sent a V. Sorry about the mistakes. U again. U again. Now V. That's V. And now W. UVW. Let's try a few words. Now I'm going to incorporate letters that we've already learned. Think about that. Q-U-I-C-K, quick. Let me send it again. Quick, Q-U-I-C-K. Let's try another word. H-I-V-E, hive. Let's try that again. Hive, H-I-V-E. Now I'm going to send a fairly large word. I'm going to leave a lot of spacing here. Actually, I sent a T by mistake. Sorry about that. That was my last name, Wofford, W-O-F-F-O-R-D. I'm going to send that again. Wofford, W-O-F-F-O-R-D. Quickly, let's go over what we learned today. U, V, and W. U, V, W. U, V, W. Just one more lesson and we will have learned A through Z. I hope you enjoyed the video. This was lesson 6. Lesson 7, we'll learn X, Y, and Z. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day. God bless.